Good morning, students. This is SHAFI from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we learned about the relations and domain, codomain, and range of the relation. In this class, we are going to discuss about the problems related to relations. In our previous class, we learned about relation. Relation is always a subset of A cross B. Domain. Domain is nothing but what? The set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. Codomain is what? The entire set B is called codomain. Range is what? The second element of the ordered pair in a relation R is called the range of the relation. Okay. And also we know that range is always a subset of A cross B. Next, one more thing, in our previous class we learned about one condition that number of elements in the set A is m, number of elements in the set B is n, then the number of relations is what? 2 power m into n. Based on that note point, here we have one question. It is the first question, and also it is the question important for your point of examination and also for your CET. Very simple one. Let A equals to xyz, B equals to 1 to. Find the number of relations from A to B. We have to find the number of relations from A to B. For this we have one formula that number of elements in the set A is m, number of elements in the set B is n, then the number of relations, are what? 2 power m into n. It is the formula to find the number of relations from a set A to a set B. Okay, first write down how many number of elements in the set A. Number of elements 1 2 3, 3 elements we have. Next, number of elements in the set B. Number of elements in the set B 1 2, 2 elements we have. Once again, number of elements in the set A is 1 2 3, 3 elements. Number of elements in the set B is 1 2, 2 only. Next, therefore the number of relations, from A to B is what? A to B equals to 2 power m into n, 2 power m into n, 3 into 2, that is equals to 2 power 3 into 2 is what? 6. Okay, it is a formula to find the number of relations from a set A to a set B is 2 power m n. 2 power m into n, 3 into 2 is 6, 2 power 6. Okay, next question. It is the question homework for you. Let A equals to A, B, C equals to D, E, F, 1, 2. Then find the number of relations from A to B. It is a question homework for you. Number of elements in the set A is 2 1 2. Number of elements in the set C 1 2 3 4 5, 5 elements, 2 5, 2 power 2 into 5 is 10, 2 power 10. Now, therefore the number of relations is 2 power 10. Very simple. You just find out this question at your home, and it is the question homework for you. Are you understand? Note down this question in your notebook. Okay, now let us move on to the next question. That is the question number 3. Here we have the third question. Let A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Define a relation R from A to A by R equals to xy such that y equals to x plus 1. And the first question, here we have the two sub questions. First question, we have to represent this relation in an arrow diagram, and the second question, we have to find out the domain, codomain, and the range of the relation R. Okay, once again, the set A is given and he defined one relation. That relation should be from A to A, A to A, or from A to A. First sub question is what? We have to represent this relation in an arrow diagram. Second question is what? We have to find the domain, codomain, and the range of the relation R. First, write down the given relation R equals to xy such that y equals to x plus 1. Y equals to x plus 1. First, let us represent this relation in an arrow diagram. First sub question is what? We have to represent this relation in an arrow diagram. Let us represent this relation in an arrow diagram. It is a relation R. It is a relation R from A to A. Define a relation R from A to A. From A to A. Okay. Next, set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set A is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to define the relation. First element is x, second element is y. First element is x, second element is y. This is what? The first element x. This is what? The second elements. Here it is x, here it is x, here it is y. Here it is y. Y equals to y is defined x plus 1. Y is defined x plus 1. Okay. Now, here it is x, it is y. Y he defined that x plus 1. First x1, x value is 1, x value is 1, then y is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. X is 1, 1 is 2, y is 2. Okay. X value is 1, then what about y? What about y? X plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. X equals to 2, then y is what? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Is there 7? No. We have to stop here itself. Okay, once again. Y is what? X plus 1. X is x. X, y equals to x plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Because he defined y equals to x plus 1. Understand? It is the representation of a relation in an arrow diagram. Let us represent this in a roster form. R equals to ordered pair 1, 2, 1, 2. Next 2, 3, 2, 3. Next 3, 4, 3, 4. Next 4, 5, 4, 5. Next 5, 6, 5, 6. Hence it is a relation R in a roster form. Are you understand? Once again, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Hence it is a relation R. Next, what we have to find? Domain, codomain, and range. Let us find out domain. Let us find out domain. Domain is what? Domain is nothing but what? In our previous class, I already told you how to find the domain of a relation. Domain is what? The set of all the first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First elements of the ordered pair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First elements of the ordered pair is called domain. What about codomain? What about codomain? Codomain equals to, codomain is what? The entire set A. The entire set A is called codomain. In the definition, I already told you that the entire set A is called codomain. It is the set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hence it is codomain. What about range? What about range? Range is what? The second elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called range. Second elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. second elements of the ordered pair 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the range of the given relation. Hence, it is the procedure to find the domain, codomain, and also defining a relation. It is the question number 3, and also it is the question important for 3 marks. It is the question important for 3 marks. Kindly mark it as a important one for 3 marks. Kindly note down this question in your notebook. Let us move on to the fourth question. Note down the fourth question. Here we have the fourth question, that let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Define a relation R from a set A to a set A by R equals to x comma y such that 3x minus y equals to 0, where x comma y belongs to the set A. Write down its domain, codomain, and range. It is the problem very similar to the previous one. I will explain. First, write down the given relation R equals to xy such that 3x minus y equals to 0, where x comma y belongs to the set A. Now, once again, R equals to x comma y such that here we have 3x minus y equals to 0. You just simplify it, then y equals to 3x, where x comma y belongs to the set A. 3x minus y equals to 0, you send this minus y to the right, that will be y equals to 3x. Now, let us define this relation R equals to. Let us define this relation R equals to. We know that first element is x, second element is y. In the set A, he is given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, up to 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 14 we have. First, if x equals to 1, y equals to 3x, y equals to 3x, y equals to 3x. Now, if x equals to 1, then y equals to what? 3 into 1. That is what? 3. If x equals to 1, y equals to 3. If x equals to 2, then y equals to 3 into 2 is what? 6. If x equals to 3, then y equals to 3 into 3 is what? 9. If x equals to 4, then y equals to 3 into 4 is what? 12. Similarly, if x equals to 5, then y equals to 3 into 5 is what? 15. But 15 is not belongs to the set A. We have the set only up to 14. We have the given set only up to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 14 we have. Here we found the number 15. 15 should not belongs to the set A. 12 is belongs to the set A. 9 is also belongs to the set A. 6 is also belongs to the set A. 3 is also belongs to the set A. Now write down this one in a roster form. X equals to 1, y equals to 3. If x equals to 2, y equals to 6. 2, 6. Next. If x equals to 3, y equals to 9. 3, 9. If x equals to 4, y equals to 12. 4, 12. That's it. This should not be considered because the output, I mean the element y is not belongs to the set A. We have to stop there itself. Once again, briefly I will explain. If x, here we have y equals to 3x. We have y equals to 3x. 3 times of x. 3x minus y equals to 0, that means y equals to 3x, y equals to 3x. If x equals to 1, y equals to 3 into 1, 3. Yes, that element 3 is belongs to the set A. Here we have 3. 3 is belongs to the set A. Next, 2, y equals to 3 into 2 is what? 6, belongs to the set A. 3 into 3, 9, belongs to the set A. 4, y equals to 3 into 4 is 12, is belongs to the set A. If we take element 5, then we will get 15, but 15 is not there in the given set. 15 is not there in the given set. So that we have to stop the given set, we have to stop there itself. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. It is relation R. Now, domain is what? Domain. The first element of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the domain. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the domain. Okay. Now, what about codomain? What about codomain? Codomain is the entire set A is called codomain. The given set A, codomain is what? The given set A. It is the given set A. It is also called as codomain. Codomain, write down codomain. Codomain is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. It is the codomain. Range is what? Range. Range is what? Range. The set of all the second elements of the ordered pair is called range. Second elements of the ordered pair is called range. 3, 6, 9 and 12. It is domain, codomain and range. You just write down this question in your notebook. Kindly do not make any kind of mistakes. It is the question. It is the question. Fourth question. It is the solution. It is the solution. Write down in your notebook. Domain, codomain and range. Are you understand? Next, let us move on to the next question. Fifth question. Here it is the fifth question, that define a relation R on the set N of a natural numbers by R equals to ordered pair x comma y such that y equals to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. X comma y is belongs to the set N. Write down domain, codomain and range. Okay. Here we have the set natural numbers. Here we have the set natural numbers. Codomain is also the set of all natural numbers. Here we have the set N, that is what? Natural numbers. Codomain is also natural numbers. We have to find domain and range. We know codomain. Codomain is what? Set of all natural numbers. We have to find only the domain and range. First write down a relation, given relation R equals to ordered pair x comma y such that y equals to x plus 5, x plus 5. X is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 4, where x comma y is also a natural numbers. It is a relation is given x comma y, y equals to x plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. I mean, we have to take x values which is a natural numbers. We have to take the numbers less than 4 only. Okay, lesser values of 4. Let us define a relation R in a roster form. Now, y equals to what? Y equals to x plus 5. Here we have y equals to x plus 5. If x equals to 1, then y equals to what? If x equals to 1, then y equals to 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. If x equals to 2, then y equals to what? 2 plus 5 is 7. If x equals to 3, then y equals to 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. If x equals to 4, we should not take x equals to 4 because condition is given x is a natural number which is a less than 4. That means x equals to 4 we should not take. We have to take only 1, 2, 3 because he given x is a natural number less than 4. X is a natural number less than 4. We should not take x equals to 4. Now write down the given relation in a roster form. 1, 6, 1, 6. Next 2, 7, 2, 7. Next 3, 8, 3, 8. It is a relation. Now domain is what? domain. Domain equals to the set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a relation R is called domain. Domain is what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the domain. Codomain is what? Codomain, the given set. The given set is called codomain. The given set is what? Natural numbers. The given set is natural numbers. Codomain is what? Natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Codomain is natural numbers. Next, range is what? Range. Range is what? The set of all second elements of the ordered pair is called range. Second elements are what? 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 are the range of the given relation, right? Hence, it is the problem. Write down this question in your notebook. Okay, it is the fifth question. Now let us move on to the sixth one. Next, here we have the sixth question, that determine domain and range of the relation R defined by R equals to x comma x plus 5, x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us write down the given relation R equals to x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what about the domain? First let us find out the relation R in a roster form. Relation R equals to, here we have x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, x equals to 1. If x equals to 1, let us consider this x plus 5 is y equals to. If x equals to 1, then y equals to 1 plus 5 is what? 6. It starts from 0, right? It starts from 0. If x equals to 0, then y equals to 0 plus 5 is what? 5. X equals to 0, x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us find out. 0, 1. Next, x equals to 2, then y equals to 2 plus 5 is what? 7. If x equals to 3, then y equals to 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Next, 3 is over. Next, x equals to 4. If x equals to 4, then y equals to 4 plus 5 is what? 9. If x equals to 5, then y equals to 5 plus 5 is what? 10. That's it. Is there 6? No. We have to stop there itself. Now, 0, 5, 0, 5. Next, 1, 6, 1, 6. Next, 2, 7, 2, 7. Next, 3, 8, 3, 8. Next, 4, 9, 4, 9. Next, 5, 10, 5, 10. Hence, it is a relation, right? Hence, it is a relation. Once again, here we have x plus 5, that I will take it as a y. Next, x equals to 0. Here the values are given. X equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, if x equals to 0, y equals to, in place of x, put 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. If x equals to 2, 2 plus 5. X equals to 3, 3 plus 5. X equals to 4, 4 plus 5. X equals to 5, 5 plus 5. Next, 0, 5, 0, 5, 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 8, 3, 8, 4, 9, 4, 9, 5, 10, 5. Hence, it is a relation. We have to find the domain and range. There is no codomain. Let us find out domain. Domain equals to the set of all first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the codomain. Okay. What about range? Range is what? The second elements of the relation 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hence, it is the range. Are you understand? Once again, write down this question in your notebook without making any kind of mistakes. Here the relation R is given. Next, x equals to 0, y equals to 5. All the values I find out like this. After that, I define a relation. After that, I written this one in a roster form. Hence, the first elements of the ordered pair is called domain. The second elements of the ordered pair is called range. Hence, it is the sixth one. Next question, that is the question homework for you. That is the seventh question. It is the question homework for you. Kindly do this question in your home. Define a relation. Define a relation R on the set n. On the set n is nothing but natural numbers, by R equals to x comma y, such that y equals to x plus 9. X is a natural number. X is a natural number which is less than 10. X comma y belongs to n. Define or find domain, codomain and range. It is a question homework for you. Here one set is given, that is what? Natural numbers. Codomain is natural numbers. Next relation R, x comma y equals to x plus 1, x plus 9. It is a question very similar to the previous one. That question number is 5. You just see the question number 5. You just answer this question in your home. It is a 7th question homework for you. Okay, dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class, we will continue the problems based on the relations. Thank you.